Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing anything that will block adhesion. Wipe dust and old wax, then sand knots smooth with 120-150 grit. Once done, apply an oil-based sanding sealer or Duax shellac directly over the knot areas. This locks in tannins that cause bleeding. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and use a brush or cloth to push sealer into the grain. Allow the sealer to dry fully. Drying time prevents lifting and gives the next layers a stable, sealed base to bond to. Next, treat the knots with a dedicated knot blocker or an oil-based primer. These are formulated to stop tannins migrating out of the wood. Spot prime each knot first to saturate problem areas, then apply a full coat of primer to even out absorption across the panel. Once the primer cures, scuff sand with 220 grit to remove raised grain and ensure a smooth surface. Make sure to clean away sanding dust before painting. Consistent surface prep prevents future bleed-through and improves top-coat adhesion. For the finish, choose a top-coat compatible with your primer. Oil-based primers pair best with oil paints, while shellac block surfaces can take waterborne paint after proper priming. Apply multiple thin coats rather than one thick one, allowing full cure between coats to avoid softening the seal. If you still see bleed-through after finishing, sand the affected area, reapply a fresh coat of shellac or knot sealer, prime again, and then repaint. This resealing step usually stops residual tannin migration for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.